Alright, super quick update on Smooth Love Potion. So you can see we've been talking about this region down here at the 786 potentially being the bottom. Now we are slowly day by day moving up very slowly and pushing up. Now we're only up like 3.5% today. And what's kind of worrying is we don't have any volume coming in right now, which kind of shows me that we're not, at least in the short term, ready to start a big push up. Now, let me show you what I mean. Previously, when we have had massive rallies come in for SLP, we start seeing these big volume candles and they increase day by day, and we're not seeing that right now. We're having a very weak uptrend, and it's red, green, red, green. I mean, it's not consistently like growing green candles. So personally, I haven't ruled out this 100% being the bottom down here at the 786. If you watched my video yesterday, you know I said I will be personally waiting, sitting on the sidelines until we do break above the 618 here, and then once we did backtest this 216, 217 level and then started coming up, I would be longing in this area here. I'm personally not dollar cost averaging into SLP right now, and I am still waiting for SLP to prove itself to me that this was the bottom by breaking above the 618, because obviously if we've gone on a massive trend, we've gone all the way up, all the way back down to the 786, this could be a dead cat bounce before we roll down. So to concretely prove to me that this is the bottom, I'm going to need to see a retest of the 786 and a push above the 618, a retest and then a push up above the 618. So far we've seen one of those things out of the two things happen. We've backtested the 786 and we've started to push up. Now all I need to see is a break above the 618, which is, sorry, it's not the 618, it is the previous all-time high here at 216 to 217. Now this big red box is really what I mean by your resistance that would be coming in that we need to break above. So you can see the bottom of this red box is actually the 618 target that we've been talking about. Let me just make sure. Yeah, so your 618 is right here, like I said. And the top of this red box basically lines up to the previous all-time high that we put in, you know, right here to 216 to 217. So all in all, it is looking slightly better for Smooth Love Potion. We are heading up slightly. Obviously Bitcoin is breaking out, so I think Smooth Love Potion's waiting for Bitcoin to fully decide what it wants to do. So I would be keeping an eye on Bitcoin breaking above the 46,000. I think once it does that, a lot of altcoins will start going on very parabolic runs, and Smooth Love Potion obviously has a very low market cap, and if we zoom out you can see it has been beaten down for a very long time now. So when it does have its run, I do think we will have a massive run. My first target, like I said on my trade, if we did break above this 618 and the top of this red box here, let me just say red rectangle now. So once we break above this rectangle, you can see that we basically have a straight line up, 108% trade on our hands, and that would obviously be, you know, assuming that this starts to curve down a bit and we don't just go up in a straight line. So all in all, SLP is very 50-50 right now. This could have been the bottom. For me to be, you know, concretely sure that this was the bottom, we need to break this red rectangle. Once we've done that, I will be longing. Until then, I will just be sitting on the sidelines in case this was not the bottom. So that is all I see for Smooth Love Potion. Best of luck if you are holding it. Once again, we really need to start seeing some volume coming in. We need to break above this region here, which isn't too far. It's only a 21% increase, and bear in mind this does have a dirt cheap market cap, so it shouldn't be too hard for it to move up that fast. So that's all I see. Once again, best of luck if you're holding this. None of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion on the market. Cowboy out. Peace.